It's free. It's open. It fixes real bugs better than GPT 5.5, and you still can't actually run it. That's GLM 5.2 from a Chinese lab called Z.ai. And for about a week, your feed has been screaming the same headline. China dropped a free AI that beats Claude. Fully free. Cancel your subscriptions, we're done here. Okay, let's read the fine print. The good part is real. GLM 5.2 is open. The actual model, released under a proper open license, free to download, free to build on. It can hold a huge amount of code in its head at once. And on the test that matters, can the thing fix real bugs in real software? It scores higher than GPT 5.5. Not a demo. Not vibes. A real number. So the hype has a point. This is a genuinely good model given away for free from a lab most people couldn't name last month. Here's where everyone stops talking. First, Yidai beats the paid ones is doing a lot of lifting. It beats GPT 5.5 on that one test. It does not beat everything. Opus 4.8, the one you're actually paying for, still wins the hardest ones. On tool use, they're reportedly about level, and about level is not winning. Say GLM beats them all, and the comments will fix it for you in 4 minutes. It beats GPT 5.5. Full stop. Now the fun part, that word, free. It's actually 3 different frees, and people are quietly blending them into one. Free number 1, the model itself. Yes, you can download the whole thing, you just can't run it. Doing it yourself needs something like 400 gigs of video memory. That's not a gaming PC, that's a small server rack. Free to download and free to use are not the same sentence. Free number 2, Code. That's Z.ai's own editor. The one in all the thumbnails marketed as Beats Cursor, fully free. The download is free. The plan running underneath it starts around $16 a month. Fully free is what the thumbnail says. It is not what the pricing page says. Free number 3, the API. There's a free tier, sure, right up until you use it for real work. Then you pay, same as everyone. So here's the honest version. Nobody's exactly lying. The model is free. The download is free. There's a free tier. But the thing people are picturing, top tier coding, running on your laptop, costing nothing forever, that thing doesn't exist. There's always a plan underneath. And you know what? Even after all that, well, it's still a good deal. Because the real comparison was never free versus $16. It's $16 a month versus the big paid subscriptions, which cost a whole lot more than $16. GLM 5.2 gets you close to the top of the market for the price of a couple coffees. From a model you can actually open up and inspect, instead of one you just have to trust. That's not nothing. That's the real story. Because it's true. So no, you don't have to cancel Claude Code. It's still great. And no, GLM 5.2 isn't the free miracle your feed promised. Because free was never really the point. The point is the floor just moved. The best coding AI used to cost real money and live behind a login. Now there's an open one and a cheap one, breathing right down its neck. That's the part worth watching. That's the signal. The rest is noise. Subscribe if you want it before everyone else. See you next runtime.